Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my video. I'm Pooja Parekh. I'm energy healer, light worker, light healer, a Reiki healer. And in this video specifically, we are trying to heal animals, trying to channel energy to heal animals, pets. If you have a shelter home, you can do this. You can put it on a screen or something because this video is gonna go on YouTube. So you can try doing that and see if um see how the benefits, what sort of benefits do you get. But in a nutshell, what I'm going to channel today is basically the energy for calmness, reduce anxiety, stress. They're not eating, drinking, not sleeping. Maybe that can change. We'll try something that reduces all those symptoms for animals, birds, pets, uh, those who are in shelter homes. Yeah, you guys can try that. All right, so let's just start channeling the energy. Calling upon the divine, Mahatar Babaji's blessing. Allow us to channel the energy for all sorts of animals and birds, pets. Trying to calm them and reduce all the sickness, symptoms of sickness and anxiety and stress. Intensify a bit. Okay, so first we are going to remove some blockages, it seems, from the collective animals and birds. Let's intensify the energy now. So one last. There's a door behind me that's making a creaking sound, so sorry for that. just channeling a lot of calmness and positive energy. Alright guys, check out my next video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my video, and you can forward this video to any of your friends and family members. Also, one last thing which I want to point out is I do a lot of crystal healings. In my next video, I will talk about how do crystal, and not in the next video, maybe a video a day or two later, I'll create a video where I can talk about how the crystal healings work and what sort of different crystals are there which you can find, and how it will help you in your day-to-day routine and mood swings and emotional balance and mental peace and mental balance and all that sort of things. So please keep watching my videos, stay connected, and do comment, guys. I don't see any comments in my videos, under my videos on YouTube. Please do comment, guys. Thank you so much. Thanks.